Is the allure of Costco Guys products just a membership perk, or do they genuinely deliver on quality? Step 1 in our deep dive into the world of Costco's in-house brand, what we're calling Costco Guys products for today, is to examine the foundation materials. Think about everyday essentials like their renowned Kirkland signature towels. Are they spun from premium cotton? Or is it a blend designed for mass appeal? We'll be looking at the thread count, absorbency claims, and what independent textile experts have to say. Next, we move to manufacturing. How are these items brought to life? Costco often partners with established manufacturers, sometimes even those producing for well-known name brands. We'll explore how this sourcing impacts the final product's durability and craftsmanship. Looking for clues in the stitching, finishing, and overall construction, this isn't just about a low price. It's about intelligent procurement. Finally, the ultimate litmus test: you, the customer. We're sifting through thousands of online reviews, forum discussions, and social media mentions. What are shoppers saying about the longevity of their Costco purchases? Are they consistently exceeding expectations, or are there recurring issues? We're aggregating this feedback to gauge overall satisfaction and pinpoint areas where Costco Guys truly shine, and perhaps where there's room for improvement. So, is the Costco Guys brand a gold standard or a clever marketing ploy? By dissecting materials, manufacturing, and invaluable customer wisdom, we're aiming to provide a clear, unbiased answer to whether these products offer genuine, lasting value. Stick around to find out.